Hi and welcome back. Today I will be making coconut crusted chicken tenders. These chicken tenders are made with shredded coconut and they're healthier than using breadcrumbs. So let me show you how I do this. When ready to serve, you can serve it with any sauce of choice. I am using honey mustard. I made it myself and I will be putting the recipe in the description box below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do it now. And thanks for watching. Bye.